A passenger who came to Taiwan after being on the hantavirus-hit Dutch cruise ship, the MV Hondius, has tested negative for the disease. Since the outbreak in April, 3 have died while aboard the vessel. The traveller, who's from New Zealand, had arrived in Taiwan on 7th of May, but was only notified to get tested a little under a week later. Although the traveller tested negative, they are required to self-monitor their health and refrain from travelling around Taiwan until June 6th. Let's hear from the Centers for Disease Control.
无生意的人和外籍人士、纽西兰籍的人士，他目前的心情是相当的焦虑不安。
It's a lone traveler of foreign nationality, a New Zealander. They're now feeling rather anxious about it. They tested negative, so the virus was not brought into Taiwan, but we cannot rule out the risk of them developing symptoms. They're allowed to take walks in spacious areas in the hospital while wearing an N95 mask, so they're not cooped up all the time. As for why we only got notified of their entry on May 13th, even though it was already known that they had entered May 7th, we've already asked our Foreign Affairs team to ask for clarifications from New Zealand.
The head of the CDC also said that the traveller had fully paid for their own medical costs and that they pose no risk of transmission, having tested negative. Therefore, their whereabouts before testing will not be publicised. The CDC emphasised that both Taiwan and New Zealand will closely monitor their condition so the public doesn't have to panic.